This is a bushingfix.com installation video. You'll start by removing all of the old bushing from the cable end and taking note of the direction that the bushing was installed. Place the bushing on the cable end opening and use the red installation driver to press the bushing into place. If you can't do this by hand, you can use pliers to make it easier. Shouldn't require a lot of force. We'll locate the shift lever pin, and if it's an interior shift lever, you can use a small amount of grease. Put it directly on the pin. If it's an exterior shift lever, don't use any grease on it. You can discard the grease. Put the cable end over the shift lever pin, snap it into place, test the installation, and that's it. Thanks for watching.